Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add oil and mix with the yogurt. Add Shan's special Bombay Biryani, 1 packet in yogurt and oil mixture. Add 1 teaspoon salt or according to your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Add pinch of orange and yellow color in the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in the mixture. Now mix it. Mixture is ready to marinate the chicken. Add the chicken pieces in the mixture. Marinate the chicken for 2 hours. Peel off the potatoes. Add potatoes in the marinated chicken. Cut in 2 different styles. Five cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and vinegar. Mix it. Water start boiling, then add 1 kilogram rice. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. It's basmati rice, so it cooks quickly. 90% cook, then switch off the flame. Drain the water from the rice and use cold to stop extra cooking so the rice not stick to each other. Add oil in the pot. In the heated oil, add onion and stir it so it's brown. Add tomatoes and green chilies. Add marinated chicken and potatoes in the gravy. Add 1 cup of water and cook for 20 minutes on medium flame. Add the boiled rice in the pot, layering. Add food yellow and orange food color. Ready to eat. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.